Hi, Caleb Peebler here with MarineMax, standing in front of an absolutely new design, a new boat, new to MarineMax and even new to the US. This is a Saxdor SX200 Pro Sport. This is the 20-foot compact boat. It is a personal watercraft by their ratings, but by my ratings, you've got a compact boat with the comfort and stability of multiple people to sit aside, multiple things to do, the versatility of cruising, riding, beaching, just as we are in my comfortable rolled up khakis here. We're able to easily beach the boat and step inside. But as we walk through this video today, we're going to look at the multitude of features that we can change, the variations of seating, tops, colors, layouts, and why this boat has just an ability to do so many things so well. Let's step out the back of the boat and see what this one's powered with. So as we sneak onto the aft deck of the Saxdor SX200 Pro Sport, we see that this one specifically is powered by a Mercury 150 Pro XS 4-stroke outboard. If you've been around boating, offshore fishing, cruising, or even just boating on the saltwater coast just about anywhere in the US, you know that 4-strokes are dominant for the market. They're dominant for a lot of reasons. They're easy to use, they're cheap to maintain. We're talking about a 1-year, 100-hour oil change and service with a multitude of networks where, you know, MarineMax has over 80 locations spread across the Gulf Coast, up the East Coast, and throughout the US, even up to the Great Lakes. But we got an opportunity to get into incredibly shallow water as you see us sneaking all the way up onto the sandbar here. But as we look specifically to the versatility of the Saxdor 200, for a 20-foot boat, it's just got an astonishing amount of space and a well-used and well-thought-out space. These doors here specifically, if we want to, you know, keep the kids in or keep the crew in or keep the pups in, we've got these doors, these glass doors with stainless material around the back that could easily swing open either side. That hatch down there below specifically is just access to batteries and components, but something that I think is incredible with Saxdor and what they've done on their smallest model, the 20, while they do have a 32 and 40, is to find another 20-foot boat that has two-row center console seating. What's really cool here with this gorgeous tangerine interior, and it is a marine soft touch vinyl, very cool to the touch, that if I've got my two boys that are, you know, 9 and 11 with me, I'm gonna drive. You know, my wife probably sit there beside me, or maybe she sits back here and we put the ski tow bar in and pull the boys on a tube, and we could be rear facing or forward facing. Very easy operation with that black aluminum powder coat. Directly below this one here, if I flip this seat back, we got access to storage or the included cooler that sits inside there to keep our drinks, snacks, or hors d'oeuvres cool and ready to go. So as I sit here in the second row, we get to talk about the multiple styles of seating they have. This one specifically is the side-by-side seating or the 4-person application. You've got these super comfortable, this one specifically being that tangerine orange marine touch vinyl with flip-up bolsters, 2-row seating that we saw that flip back and forth. They also offer a saddleback style seating, much closer to a personal watercraft like a jet ski, where it's 3 deep, where we're sitting in and holding onto that saddle, similar to a jet ski. And then a step above this, they also offer a 6-person seating. The 6-person seating is similar to the front seats, 2 bucket seats outward facing, as well as a small bench that's in between, and it's all networked together. We've also got a multitude of options for tops. You can go express style open and do no top. They also offer a target top, which is going to include this activity type tower, which is great for grabbing on or stepping through the boat as we're out running around, or I'm just trying to step through and get in and out. They offer a soft top, which is very similar to this setup, but it has a bimini top and canvas top. And then this one specifically is considered the hard top. Now, what is maybe difficult to see in the video, this is actually wrapped with a soft vinyl or a soft canvas that keeps that nice and cool as well. Stepping through the console, we've got a really cool feature here where these are dry boxes. I right now have my dress shoes as well as phone, wallet, and keys. My phone specifically is actually sat up there below the steering wheel. The matching tangerine console kind of toolbox and toolkit sits just below the leather wrapped steering wheel, all of our controls, throttles, trim tabs, and we've got room on the dash whether we want to do a single 9-inch Garmin or Simrad or even twin 9-inch Simrads. We'll work our way forward and take a look at something on the boat that you just cannot find on a boat that's 20 feet long, whether it's a Saxdor, a personal watercraft, or any of its competitors. But we'll take a step forward and take a better look at that. So if you're as beautiful as I am, you like to lay out, catch some sun, have some hors d'oeuvres, have some sandwiches. But as we lay out on the compact SX200, I think it's truly far from compact. I'm 6 feet tall, a healthy 230 pounds, and I've got more than adequate room to roll out here, maybe set up some throw pillows and lay up against that adjustable windshield. We've got, close to 14 or 16 inches of throw for that windshield to come up and provide some windscreen protection, whether we've got that 48-mile-an-hour run with our 150 Pro XS, whether we're trying to keep spray out the way, or we just like the aesthetics of a super cool blunt nose boat that does so well in the seas with the higher windshield and a little bit more protection from the elements. What's even more impressive to me as I sneak past this huge, big, comfortable, thick lounge is the amount of storage that sneaks beneath this. So for a 20-foot boat, to have a sun lounge style coffin box, you could fit such an enormous amount of items in here, so much so that not only do they offer a bow sunshade that comes off the top and clicks into 2 poles up front, but it also has a camper tent style enclosure that if my boys wanted to hop down there, pull these cushions off, throw the cushions in, and camp out for the night, or just hide in there and get out of the elements for a while and extend our day and allow my family to boat longer, they could sneak in there and take a nap or play on their iPad and get out of the elements. But what an enormous piece of storage, which is one of probably the largest complaints, even as we jump up into these large 40-foot plus center consoles, that we don't have enough storage, we don't have enough use of space. I want to fish, my wife wants to cruise, we want to go to the island, that we've got an opportunity to do really all of those things and do them really well. What a nice opportunity to step into a Saxdor SX200 Pro Sport, this one specifically with the 2-row seating, but an awesome opportunity to get into a boat that does just about everything well. We appreciate you hanging out with us for the walkthrough. We appreciate you following MarineMax for all of our content and our new boats and these new exciting features. But subscribe to us on YouTube, take a look at your local MarineMax page, and get introduced and find out how soon you can get one of these boats to your store.